Did you know that an astonishing 9 out of 10 people are missing out on a key nutrient that's quietly hiding in one of the most humble vegetables you'll find in your local grocery store? That's right. Spinach, the leafy green that's often overlooked in favor of flashier superfoods, is actually a nutritional powerhouse. Most people walk right past it, not realizing that this simple green could be the secret weapon they need to beat fatigue and boost their energy levels naturally. Imagine if you could unlock more energy, sharper focus, and better health just by adding a handful of spinach to your daily routine. Today we're going to dive deep into the world of spinach and uncover why it's not just a salad filler, but a true champion when it comes to fueling your body and mind. Let's crack open why this leafy green is a powerhouse for your energy. Let's talk science. When you look at a bunch of fresh spinach, you might just see a pile of leaves. But inside those leaves is a complex blend of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that work together to support nearly every system in your body. Spinach isn't just food, it's fuel, and it's been celebrated for centuries for its ability to revitalize and energize. From ancient civilizations who prized it for its healing properties, to modern athletes who rely on it for peak performance, spinach has earned its reputation as a true superfood. But what exactly makes it so special? Let's break it down step by step and see how spinach can transform the way you feel, think, and move. First up, let's talk about iron. Spinach is loaded with this essential mineral, and it plays a crucial role in keeping your body energized. Iron is like the delivery truck for oxygen in your bloodstream. It helps your red blood cells carry oxygen from your lungs to every cell in your body. Without enough iron, your cells can't get the oxygen they need, and you start to feel tired, sluggish, and even a little foggy-headed. Think of iron as the spark plug that keeps your engine running smoothly. When you eat spinach, you're giving your body a fresh set of batteries, recharging your system so you can tackle whatever the day throws at you. And here's the thing, many people, especially women and young adults, don't get enough iron in their diets. That's why adding spinach to your meals can make such a big difference in how you feel, both physically and mentally. But wait, there's more. Spinach isn't just about iron, it's also packed with magnesium, another mineral that's absolutely vital for your health. Magnesium is like the conductor of an orchestra, making sure that your muscles and nerves are working in perfect harmony. It helps your muscles contract and relax, keeps your heartbeat steady, and even supports your brain function. If you've ever felt like your body is running on empty, like a phone stuck at 2% battery, chances are you might be low on magnesium. Spinach swoops in to save the day, delivering a healthy dose of this essential mineral with every bite. Whether you're an athlete pushing your limits, a student burning the midnight oil, or just someone who wants to feel their best, magnesium from spinach can help you stay strong, focused, and ready for action. Plus, there's another secret ingredient in spinach that makes it even more effective: vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant doesn't just boost your immune system, it also helps your body actually use the iron you get from spinach. Think of vitamin C as the trusty sidekick, making sure the hero, iron, can do its job properly. When you pair spinach with a splash of citrus, like lemon or orange, you supercharge your body's ability to absorb iron. It's a simple trick that can make a big difference, especially if you're trying to beat fatigue and stay energized throughout the day. So next time you're making a spinach salad, don't forget to add a squeeze of lemon or a handful of orange slices. Your body will thank you. And get this, spinach has another trick up its sleeve. It's rich in natural compounds called nitrates, which have been shown to boost blood flow and improve circulation. When you eat spinach, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in your body, which helps relax and widen your blood vessels. The result? More oxygen and nutrients can reach your muscles, brain, and organs, giving you a turbocharge effect that leaves you feeling alert, focused, and ready to take on the world. This is especially important for athletes and anyone who wants to perform at their best, whether it's in the gym, at work, or just in everyday life. Better blood flow means better energy, faster recovery, and a sharper mind. It's like flipping a switch and turning on your body's natural power source. That's why athletes and health buffs are always tossing spinach in their smoothies. They know that this simple green can give them a real edge, helping them push harder, recover faster, and stay energized all day long. But you don't have to be a professional athlete to benefit from spinach. Whether you're chasing after your kids, powering through a busy workday, or just trying to make it to the end of the week without crashing, spinach can help you stay on top of your game. It's a natural, affordable, and delicious way to fuel your body and mind. No fancy supplements or expensive energy drinks required. So next time you're dragging, feeling that familiar afternoon slump, or reaching for yet another cup of coffee or a sugary energy drink, pause for a moment. Instead of relying on quick fixes that leave you crashing later, grab a handful of spinach, toss it into a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or even stir it into your favorite soup or omelet. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are real. Spinach gives you a steady, natural boost of energy that lasts, without the jitters or crashes that come from artificial stimulants. It's a simple change that can have a big impact on your health, your mood, and your productivity. And the best part? It's easy, affordable, and delicious. It's nature's way of saying, you've got this. Spinach is more than just a vegetable. It's a symbol of strength, resilience, and vitality. When you make spinach a regular part of your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. You're saying yes to more energy, better health, and a brighter, more vibrant life. And you're joining a long tradition of people who have relied on this humble green to power their bodies and minds. From Popeye cartoons to Olympic athletes, spinach has been celebrated for its ability to build strength and stamina. Now it's your turn to experience the benefits for yourself. Power up your day, the green way. Imagine waking up each morning feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Imagine having the stamina to chase your dreams, the focus to tackle your goals, and the resilience to bounce back from setbacks. That's the power of spinach. It's not just about eating your greens, it's about unlocking your full potential, one bite at a time. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook the spinach, pick up a bunch, bring it home, and start experimenting with new ways to enjoy it. Your body, your mind, and your future self will thank you. Remember, the journey to better health starts with a single step, or in this case, a single leaf. Embrace the power of spinach and discover what it feels like to truly thrive. Whether you're young or old, active or just starting out, spinach has something to offer everyone. It's time to make this incredible green a staple in your kitchen and a cornerstone of your healthy lifestyle. So go ahead, power up your day, the green way, and let spinach show you just how amazing you can feel.